Hi everyone, this is Geetika Vinodni. You are watching Geeta Tricks. In our last section, we have discussed these topics. In this section, we have to discuss partnership. Let us start our section. Partnership. Partnership means when two or more than two persons run a business jointly by investing money, they are called partners and the deal is known as partnership. Let us see which type of questions they are asked in this related topic. Partnership. The first example, A and B start a business by investing is 1 lakh and R is 1 lakh 50,000 respectively. Find the share of each out of the total profit of R is 24,000. Here the question is we have to find the shares of A and B. First, you have to write ratio of investments of A and B. What is the investments of A and B? 1 lakh and 1 lakh 50,000. For simply, we have to write 2:3. The fifth table will be possible. So, 2:3. For first, we have to find A's share. How to find A's share? First, you have to write total profit into, in numerator, we have to write A's investment. And in denominator, we have to write the sum of the investments. What are the sum of the investments? 2 plus 3, 5. So, I am write 5 here. For doing simplification, I am get 9600. Coming to next one, B's share. In this B's share, first we have to write total profit into, in numerator, you have to write B's investment. In denominator, you have to write sum of the investments. For doing simplification, I am getting 14,400. This is my answer. The next example, ABC start a business jointly. Twice the investment of A is equals to thrice the capital of B and the capital of B is 4 times the capital of C. Find the share of B in an annual profit of Rs 2,97,000. Here 2A equals to, it means twice A equals to thrice B, B equals to 4 times C. Let us take C capital B X. Then B's capital is B equals to 4X. So we know 2A equals to 3B. So B equals to 4X. So substitute 4X in this equation. 3 into 4x, I am getting 12x. So 2a equal to 12x, a equals to 6s. For finding share of b, we know the a, b, c values. So the value of a is 6x and the value of b is 4x and the value of c is x. It means 6:4:1. Now we have to find the share of B's. So, how to find B's share? First, you have to write annual profit 2,97,000 into, in numerator you have to write B's investment 4, in denominator you have to write total investment. What is the total investment? 6 plus 4 plus 111. So, 4 by 11. For doing simplification, we are getting this value. This is the answer for this question. Next one, ABC hire a meadow for Rs 1460. A puts in 10 cows for 20 days. B puts 30 cows for 8 days. And C is 16 cows for 9 days. Find the rent paid by each one of them. Find the rent paid by each one of them. Here the ABC are the 3 members, they are paid rent Rs 1460, but here each we know what is A paid, what is the rent B paid, what is the rent C paid. In this question we have to know the A, B, C shared rent, right? Here first the ratio of rents to be paid by ABC is 10 into 20. It means 10 cows for 20 days and 30 cows for 8 days and 16 cows for 9 days. So 200 is to 240 is to 144. For doing simplification, 25, 30, 18 for easy manner. First, you have to find A's share of rent. How to find share of rent? First, you have to write total amount into the A's investment by total investment. what is the total investment? 25 plus 30 plus 18, 73. So doing simplification, RS 500. So A paid rent is 500. Similarly, B's share of rent, 1460 into 30 by 73 equals to RS 600. And similarly, C's share of rent is RS 1460 into 18 by 73. Doing simplification, we get RS 360. So A's paid rent is 500, B paid rent is 600, C paid rent is 360. This is the, so for total rent is 1460. This is the answer for this question. These are the questions related in this partnership topic. In this video, I only give the concept of the partnership. When we are doing more and more problems, we are very easy in this topic. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe our channel.